In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from ChatGPT to Claude. By the end, you'll feel comfortable starting a fresh conversation in Claude and navigating the key places you'll use every day. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Claude at Claude AI New. This takes you straight to the interface where new conversations begin. If the page opens to a clean chat window, you're in the right spot. You'll see a simple layout with a left-hand sidebar and a main area for messages. To start a brand new conversation, click the plus sign. This is your quick path to a fresh chat, perfect for moving work over from another assistant. Think of it as creating a clean slate where you can continue the same workflows you had before. Now, type in your prompt. You can paste the exact instruction you were using previously or refine it here. Clear, direct prompts work well. Explain your goal, provide any necessary context, and specify the output format you want. If you're adapting something you used elsewhere, keep the core request the same so you can compare results side by side. When you're ready, send it and review Claude's response, adjusting your wording as needed to match your voice and requirements. On the left side, click Search. This is where you quickly find past conversations and references. As you build up work in Claude, Search helps you jump back to earlier threads, pull forward snippets you liked, and keep your research connected. Use short, distinctive keywords you're likely to remember, like a project name or a phrase from your prompt, to get to the right place faster. Next, click Customize on the left side. Here you can tailor how your workspace behaves so it fits your style. Take a moment to review available options and set sensible defaults that reduce repetitive instructions. Small adjustments here can make every new chat feel consistent, saving time and improving results. Then, click Chat on the left side. This returns you to your main conversation area. It's your home base for drafting, iterating, and reviewing replies. Keep an eye on the structure of your chats so follow-ups stay organized and the context remains clear. Finally, click Projects on the left side. Projects help you group related chats and resources under a single umbrella. If you're transitioning ongoing work, consider creating a project for each major topic so your prompts, drafts, and iterations live together in one place. That's the workflow. Go to Claude, start a new chat with the plus sign, enter your prompt, and use Search, Customize, Chat, and Projects to stay organized and efficient as you switch.